All right, let's talk a little bit more about supply and demand, and let's go over the basics of the order book and talk about bid versus ask and how that creates supply and demand and our price levels and eventually our support and resistance lines. So the stock market in general is like an auction. You've got two groups of people. On one side, you have those who are willing to buy and are interested in buying something. They are bidding on a stock. And you've got a group of people who are looking to unload or sell what they already own. And they have a price that they will ask someone to pay. So you have bidders, you have sellers. Bidders are, of course, the bid, and the sellers have an asking price, so they are called the ask. Now, you can walk into an auction and you have several people who are willing to pay $3 for a stock. One person might be able to afford $3.50. And unless they can find someone on the ask side who is willing to sell at $3.50, they are not going to buy anything and there will be no transactions taking place. So you can actually flesh out an order book with thousands of orders on either side, but until you have two people agreeing on a price, either this gentleman here decides he's willing to up his price to $3.75 and buy what this man has, or you're going to have this man selling at $3.75 deciding he doesn't want to wait anymore. He'll give it to this guy for $3.50. That creates a trade, and that creates a last price, which influences the price of our ticker. So, to reiterate, two large groups of people, no price happens and no transaction happens until one of these two people crosses the line and decides they're either going to buy at the ask or this guy will sell to the bid. A little bit confusing perhaps, but let's get into a little bit more detail and talk about price action and trading. So while these guys and these guys can exist in the order book during live trading, people who are inside this tornado are the ones who are actually doing the volume and the transactions back and forth. These order books can sit there all day and never be touched, but you can have people coming in willing to buy $3.75, 75 cents over and over and over again until all of these $3.75 shares are gone, in which case the price is now $4. And we see the tornado starting to attack the $4 price. That's how prices move up. For prices to move down, we'll need to see this tornado selling to $3.05 until eventually he is gone and this nice lady still willing to buy for $3 creates the new price of $3 per share. So you have two large groups, a lot of crazy volatility and price action that is happening inside this tornado, and this tornado is representative of what is happening in the general market. This is the mess of traders that create that volume, that create all of those price changes for us. And these people on either side are those who create our areas of support and resistance.